Hey guys, Paul McClain here. Wanted to come to you with a 2-minute sales drill for the week. So let's talk about setting the stage, creating a scenario that you can excel in. All right, and what I mean by that is this. Let me give you a couple examples. So a lot of times, client, for instance, if you're getting a referral, I'm not a big fan of saying, hey, if you're happy with my service, the best way to say thank you is to refer me a couple of your friends and family. I think that just kind of flip-flops the whole posture that you're the doctor and they're the patient, because now you need something from them, right? You need a couple of referrals. And so the way you set the stage in this exact same example where it doesn't seem like that, you don't lose your posture, is by setting the stage. And this is how you do it. So I'd say, Bob and Mary, listen, a lot of clients I sit with, because we have so many of these requests that come back in every day and we're servicing all these families, just like you that sent this form back in, they think that I don't have any time to help out people they care about, like friends and family and what have you. And I just want to let you know, I made it a commitment of mine when I first started out in this business and in the insurance industry protecting families, that I would always make sure that the families, the clients of mine, their families would come first before these requests that are sent in each and every week. So what I'll do is, and I don't have tons of time because I do got to service these requests, I'll have time for maybe 3 or 4 or 5 people that that you care about, friends, family, to be able to kind of help them. Because what I found is most of the time, somebody either doesn't have protection and they just don't know how to go about getting it. And a lot of times that client ends up passing away and leaving a burden, not by their intention, they just never had any path to get it. Or the second thing is they've got protection and we're able to put them in a better plan because we filled underwrite, we're not captive sales reps. So we can find a better product that gives them more protection or saves them money. So I don't have a ton of time to get everybody, but like I can help 2 to 5. Who are the 2 to 5 people that come to your mind when we say friends, family, people you care about? And then boom, they give it to you. So what you're doing is you're creating this, you're setting this stage. You're creating a scenario, you're telling a story. So now when you step in and basically ask for those same 2 to 5 referrals, you've got the upper hand. And this is the same thing when you're sitting with a client that has, say, a big mortgage, right? And they're 74, and you got to show them 20,000, but the mortgage is 200,000, right? Before you just go in like, well, we can help you with 20,000. Well, that sets the stage for failure, right? Because then they've got their preconceived, thought process that I want the full mortgage covered, and they haven't left that thought process because you didn't set the stage. So the stage is whatever was set when you walked in, whatever thought process that you came into it with, and they'll say, nah, I either want 200 grand or nothing. Setting the stage is saying, listen, Bob, Mary, all the clients I sit with in your same situation, every one of them, they're 74, 75, they don't want to have a plan that's unaffordable, that they can't afford because their budget's fixed. Like for you guys, I don't know, but every client I sit with, typically their budget is fixed. So they know exactly what they can afford. And what they tell me is, Paul, I'm not 33. I don't have, kids running around the house where if I die, there's a big financial burden. I just want to make sure that when I die, that my wife she can mourn, she can grieve, she can recover, and then move forward in a healthy manner. And so most of those clients are looking at protecting the equity that's been established and just making sure there's a gap that's bridged when they pass away. They don't need a big plan that's $500 a month. They just need something to cover the gap. Do you guys see how that would make the most sense for you as well? Well, now I've set the stage and I've gone in and talked about 20,000 or whatever to cover that 1-year payment. But now I've set the stage. So when I tee up, when I present the package, the value base of what I'm servicing them with, they see it in a different way. So I hope this makes sense, guys. Make it a big week. Go set the stage for your clients, set the stage for your week, set the stage for your mindset. It's all the way you see it. So make it a massive week, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.